Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Fold the paper from top and bottom, flip it and again make multiple fold. Here we are going to make the skirt of the dress. So we are going to fold it from its bottom part, flip it and pull the paper downward like this. Tuck it inside and look, your mini dress is ready. Take this floral printed paper, fold it into half, flip it and again fold it, make triangular shape. Now we are going to make multiple fold. Tuck the paper inside like this. Now cut the bottom part from top and bottom, roll this paper and make a stick, put it at the center and look, your beautiful umbrella is ready. We are going to fold this printed craft paper, flip it and again fold it, make two triangles, flip it again. Here we are going to make a heart shaped bookmark. So give it shape like we are doing here and tuck the paper inside like this and look, your heart shaped bookmark is ready. Let's make this cake using craft paper. Let's get started. First we are going to fold this paper into two. Now again fold it from its sides. Press it like this. After this we are going to press all the four corners and make squares. Similar way we are going to make these triangular shape. Flip the paper. Now we are going to make the shape from the corner and tuck the paper inside. Make two such shapes and combine all of them together like this. Put a blue ring on the top of it and similar way add more layers. Put a heart on the top and look, your cake model is ready. We're going to make this beautiful heart-shaped bookmark. Let's get started. So take this half paper, make multiple folds from its horizontal and vertical side. After this, we're going to open it and fold it from its corners in triangular shape. Now again fold it like this. Flip it and again fold it from its diagonal. Press it like we're doing here and look, your bookmark is ready. Now put it inside from its top portion and look, it's done. We're going to make beautiful bow using craft paper. So take this paper, press it and make a square shape. Now open it and fold it at the center and make a star shape like this. After this we're going to fold it from both its sides. Gently open it and look, it's done. Now take a cutter and we're going to cut it from all its sides like this. Fold it from its corners, make a cut at the center. Now flip it and fold it as well. Here we are going to make a ribbon shape like this. Put the paper inside and look, it's done. In this video we're going to make a fun craft. Take this multicolor paper, fold it, make a square shape, again fold it and make triangular shape like this. Now flip the paper like we're doing here, gently open it like we are doing here and you will get the star shape. After this tuck the paper inside like we are doing here and look, it's ready. Now we are going to make a stick. Roll this paper, put it at the center and look, your spinning tool is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please